That's a complete myth. I can say that बच्चा होने के बाद सब ठीक हो जाएगा. In fact, it can get worst also in many cases, and in many cases it also gets to a point where both have to compromise. See, marriage is all about not just having love or trust. It is also about having a compromise. When marriage is all about adjustments. So when we talk about adjustments and dealing with the other person, it is more about knowing and understanding also of what the other person wants. Okay. So I think a couple who are very matured and they know each other very well and they understand each other very well, तो वहां पे ये conflict आएगा ही नहीं, because the partner will understand that okay, he needs some time to think about a baby. Okay. Unless and until he is mentally ready, I'll support him. और वहां पे कॉन्फ्लिक्ट नहीं आएगा. बट जहां पे थोड़ा मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग है कि वाई यू आर सेइंग नो, एंड फिर सोसाइटी प्रेशर बहुत है, जैसे सास हो गए, ससुर हो गए, इन लॉज हो गए, एंड दे विल टॉक अबाउट दैट यू हैव अ बेबी, वी वांट अ बेबी, इट्स 2 years. Now it's like you have to, the clock is ticking and you need to have a baby. तो वहां पे क्या हो जाता है कि अभी तो हम एक दूसरे को समझे ही नहीं है. We have not understood each other. We need more time to grow together, and उसमें we don't want a baby right now, and I think that's the right way it should be. So let the couples decide when is the right age for them to have babies, and they can consult a gynec, yes, to know their biological clock कि कब तक हमको कंसीव कर लेना चाहिए. और अगर मेंटली रेडीनेस नहीं है तो थेरेपिस्ट से मिल लीजिए. व्हाई? द क्वेश्चन इज व्हाई somebody doesn't want to become a father. It's such a beautiful journey. Why somebody doesn't want to become a mother? So that's something where something is wrong. Okay, कुछ गड़बड़ है. तो वहां पे थेरेपिस्ट से मिलेंगे तो थेरेपिस्ट विल फाइंड आउट व्हाट एग्जैक्टली, बिकॉज वी डिग into the issues and we go back into the childhood and find out what are the reasons, what are the causes, क्यों इसको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, ये पेरेंटिंग थिंग इसको बहुत पैनिक अटैक्स क्यों दे रहे हैं, व्हाई. सो व्हाई जब आ जाता है, देन द आंसर ऑटोमेटिकली पॉप्स.
So what I advise them usually when they come up to me, sometimes they might come just for a termination. They might be the woman might be 30 or 31 and something, and this would be their first or the second pregnancy, and they would be like कि नहीं हमें अभी नहीं करना, we want to focus more on career right now, or we have certain issues right now and we are not wanting. So in those situations it is important to understand what is it which is causing a problem for them, and also to make them understand that the baby is not going to be a financial liability immediately. It is not as if today the baby is getting to be born. And I understand that anybody who sees a positive urine test and is not prepared for it sometimes may get a knee-jerk reaction and may think that, no, I don't want this pregnancy. I'm just not prepared for it. And let's go and get rid of it. But then usually I send them back with a lot of counseling and ask them to think again and maybe come back to me a couple of days later and come back with whatever they've decided. And then we help them out.